Hi there, students. Frippery, a countable noun, could also be uncountable. Let's see, frippery is just silly pieces of decoration, unnecessary objects, frivolities, things that are ostentatious, that you're showing quite how elegant you are, but in fact this is just pure nonsense. Yeah, it's something useful to make you look important, something that makes you look is designed to make you look fancy and important, but it's ostentatious. Yeah, cheap, bad quality decoration. Yeah, elegance to show everyone quite how important you are, but without being the real thing. So if you describe something as frippery, you mean it's silly, it's unnecessary, it's being worn for pleasure, it's being done for pleasure. So during Victorian times, women dressed themselves in all sorts of fripperies, decoration, toys, but things that are unnecessary, showy clothes. So, yeah, we're going to have a coronation, and a coronation is full of fripperies. Yeah, little things that are of no significance. Yeah, they're stupidly elegant. It's real finery to show how important you are, but there's no real substance to it. Yeah, so if you say call something frippery or things fripperies, you're talking about frills, extra silly unnecessary frills. Yeah, just to please you. To you use fripperies to be pretentious, to show that you are better than everyone else. So yeah, frippery, they are things that are empty display. Yeah, maybe you've got all sorts of jewels on your fingers which are frippery. I think somebody who is a fan of frippery or fripperies is somebody who is very superficial. Yeah, it's decorations, trinkets, baubles, toys, fine clothes to show that you are a really important person. Yeah, so all of the fripperies that make the upper classes. Yeah, if you want to show people how posh and how important you are, I guess there are all sorts of fripperies you could use. Expensive, tasteless jewellery, things like that. I get the feeling that many very expensive restaurants, they're full of all sorts of little fripperies to show everybody what a wonderful restaurant this is, what a great place this is. So if somebody calls something a frippery, they're saying they're being very critical about it. Yeah, they're saying that this is ostentatious. It's not important, but the person who's wearing it, who's thinks or feels that it's important. Yeah, so fripperies, a showy display of clothes or manners or the way you speak, the affectations of elegance. I guess Henry would be full of fripperies if he could afford them. So this is fripperies, fine showy dress, but when it's very gaudy, it's over the top, it's empty, it's ostentatious. Okay, so formality, fripperies. I think it's a little bit old-fashioned. I think I would give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Old French, frippier, to rub down, to wear something into rag. So yeah, I guess it's something that looked nice once, but is now in rags. But frippery, something ostentatious and fancy, which is crazy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Frippery, Fripperies.